This guy made $10 for free by playing game on this secret app. Alright, as you can see right here, why not join me? Let me show you guys on how he made that happen. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on exactly how to make that kind of money, okay, instantly, and it should be sent directly to your PayPal account. Okay, so right here I've already signed up. Signing up is very easy. Okay, you're gonna use your email to sign up. Okay, your Google process, right, which is you're gonna click on the Google and it's gonna take you to where your emails are, and you're gonna choose any email you want to use. Okay, as you can see right here, currently I'm earning $1.30. Okay, as you can see right here, okay, there are so many things inside here. So let me just go straight to the gaming section. As you can see right here, this is the gaming section right here. This you are seeing here, 1 2 3 4 is a game strike. Okay, as you keep on playing, okay, you'll be climbing up till you're gonna reach this place right here. Okay, so in other words, if you want to earn money quickly on this platform, you're gonna be doing spinning. Okay, you can watch more ads, more ads, and more ads to make sure, okay, you get this $10 right here. Okay, nobody's going to tell you about this, okay, but you have to shove it yourself. That's why we are here to show you guys exactly what you need to do to make sure you earn this free money. Okay, so that is the step one and step two. As you can see right here, to watch the ads are very easy. It's a easy process. Okay, the ads doesn't take long. Currently this is my ticket. Let me show you guys. I already had 10,000 ticket that I used. Okay, so I've already used my ticket in doing other stuff, right? So right here I'm trying to accumulate my ticket. So when I keep on playing this game, I'm going to keep on earning tickets. Okay, and my life right now I've grown to 4, and I have diamonds, which is like a gem 2. All right, so this is the wallet section. Okay, which you can, the money say to withdraw your money you have to make at least $10 right here to withdraw your money. So it's very easy, you can make that in a day. Okay, if you dedicate your time playing this game. Okay, and say we give away $32,300, okay, every week. So why not join my channel and subscribe to my channel for more update. Okay, I'm going to be talking about this more. So let's click on this claim. I'm going to come back to most of these things right here. I don't want to waste more time, so I'm going to make more videos, okay, on how to accumulate more cash on this. So right here right now, I'm in level 2 that I'm trying to finish. I just want to show you guys how the game is being played. As you can see, they are requesting for this 9 block and this 9 wood. So I'm just going to click on play, and I'm just going to make sure I break all these blocks right here and these woods, right? So I'm just going to keep on playing this. Okay, make sure. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on, I'm gonna pause this game. I don't want to bore you guys with this game, so I'm gonna get back to you when I'm done with it. Okay, as you can see right here, it's a quest completed, right? So I'm done with this quest, and now this is going to pop up. All right, so this is times 2 times 5 times 6 times 5 and times 2. All right, so I'm just going to keep on, I'm going to wait for this to go to the bigger, either times 5 or times 6. Then I'm going to click on multiply tickets, right? So that way ad is going to pop up and I'm going to get more of it, right? So now look at this. All right, times 6 I've gotten. So the ad is going to pop up. I'm just going to let you guys be there. All right, as you can see, I've earned 600 tickets, and right now I have 1,000. How is it called? Create your profile. Okay, they tell me to create my profile. I'm just gonna like change this to my name, Crypto Combat. All right, I'm gonna choose who am I gonna choose? But okay, let me choose this guy. Okay, I'm gonna click save, and I'm gonna click claim. As you can see, I have reached the level of level 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on claim. It's a level 2 rewards, right? Your skills have earned you this special box. So I'm just gonna like tap on it. It said press the box. I'm gonna tap on it. As you can see, I've earned 0.1 cents. Okay, I'm just gonna like keep on going. As you can see here, it has increased to 1.40. So I'm just gonna do this again, and I earn on times 5. So as it's gonna pop up,
This
let's
app
wait till it
claims.
finishes. So I got 90 tickets. So now I'm in level 3 right now. So you see this let me show you guys this ticket you are seeing right here. Okay, you're just gonna tap on it. When I tap on it, this is what is going to pop up. So become a top ticket earner to win cash in the $80 prize pool. Completed. This is completed already. Okay, and this is keep collecting tickets to win jackpot $500 money. Okay, so as you can see, the more games you play, the more tickets you earn, and the more money you earn, right? So as you can see right here, I just created this account today on this app, and I'm already on $1.40, right? So give me from now till 7 days, I'll be earning more of this. Okay, luckily for you, when you dedicate your time on this, you're gonna earn this money in a day. All right, so I don't want to go deep into this project because I'll be doing another video, okay, on different taxes you have to do and so on. Okay, so with that being said, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.